Sakthi Dental Clinic, Mullukuruchi. Dental bridges are a type of dental restoration that are used to replace one or more missing teeth. They are called bridges because they bridge the gap created by missing teeth, and are typically anchored in place by the surrounding teeth. There are several types of dental bridges. 1. Traditional dental bridges. This type of bridge consists of one or more pontics, false teeth, that are anchored in place by dental crowns that are placed on the surrounding natural teeth. 2. Cantilever dental bridges. This type of bridge is similar to a traditional bridge, but it is only anchored to one tooth instead of two. This may be an option if there is only one natural tooth adjacent to the missing tooth. 3. Maryland dental bridges. This type of bridge uses a metal or porcelain framework that is bonded to the back of the surrounding natural teeth, with a pontic in between. This type of bridge may be a good option for patients who prefer a more conservative approach, as it requires less preparation of the surrounding teeth. 4. Implant-supported dental bridges. This type of bridge is anchored in place by dental implants that are surgically placed into the jawbone. The implants act as artificial tooth roots, providing a stable foundation for the bridge. Dental bridges can help to improve the appearance and function of the teeth, and can prevent the surrounding teeth from shifting out of place. They are typically made from materials such as porcelain, ceramic, or metal alloys, and can be color matched to the surrounding teeth for a natural-looking appearance. The process for getting a dental bridge typically involves 2 or more appointments, depending on the type of bridge being used. The surrounding teeth will need to be prepared by removing a small amount of enamel to make room for the crowns, and an impression will be made of the teeth to create the bridge. A temporary bridge may be placed while the permanent bridge is being fabricated in a dental lab. Once the permanent bridge is ready, it will be cemented into place and adjusted to ensure a comfortable fit. With proper care and maintenance, dental bridges can last for many years and provide a long-lasting solution for missing teeth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.